Hi everyone, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. I'm back with another quick card making video, and this one is a happy birthday card. So I have, I'm using a normal A2 card size, and I have a little background pattern paper there. So this is from a silhouette, just a cut file for the card base. And then I have this, the back layer is just a simple patterned piece of paper, and then I wanted to use a string. I could have used a bow, but I decided to go with a string because I had the right kind of colors for this that goes with the patterned paper there. And so I'm just tying up a bow, and then that will go onto a mat and can then be mounted on a on the card. This is also based on a freebie cut file that I'm sharing on my blog MistyHilltops.com. If you are interested, you can check it out. There are a number of freebies, a whole lot of them I should say, and so don't miss out. Even if you don't want to use a cutting machine, it comes with measurements and all that. So yes, like I said, go check it out. So here all I have left is to add that little sentiment, which is a stamp with a die cut piece, and that finishes my card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.